Dear Professor, I would like to submit my homework 1, number 2, about write a C++ language to control on or off 8 LED by using a push button. Next, we need some hardware, about 1 Arduino Uno, 8 LED and 1 breadboard, 8 resistance, about 220 ohm. And we need a push button. And next, I will explain my code. First, we need int line pins, about 8 pins for LED output, 1 pin for bottom pin input, and bottom pin is A1, and 8 LED is 1 to 9. And next, with void loop function is reading declared bottom pin, and reading low and last state high. If declared button is low, state and E state. If state is high, and the LED 8 pins will high. Else, if pin read low, 8 LED will low, 0. And next, I will show my video. It's my code. Next, push button on, off, on, off, on, off. Next, hardware pin, video. A button on, off, on, off, on, off. This is all my introduction of homework 1, number 2 about write a C++ language to control on or off 8 LED by using a push button. Thanks for watching.